soon, man. Thompson Creek. You know, it's probably not that hard to tell, but when it's a good team, man, some farm maps are awful. Otherwise, they're not so bad if you're just dealing with people who aren't super sweaty. I don't mind farm maps. Maps like Hawkins, not Hawkins, Hawkins taken off, Hattersfield, that pushes my buttons, but that's a map I don't like to play on. Good or bad team, bro, those windows. That, man. See what she's doing. This is not a strong place for her to be. Oh, she fell too. But she didn't have balanced landing. Okay. So what perk does Nia have? And she missed the pallet. That's behind you, love. I'm sorry. That wasn't too long of a chase. I don't have any tracking perks though, unless they're within the terror radius when I down someone with infectious. Is it? But I'm not sure at the moment. Damn, I didn't see either of them run, did you? No stretch marks, which makes me think they're still just around there playing me. There's Bill giving me some stock. I'm gonna appreciate that. I should be stalking her off to the side, but that was a mistake. I was too focused on the Bill. I noticed that she was running just in a straight path as he ducked into some cover. Couldn't drain his soul, you know. How am I supposed to be looking at you if you run behind a wall, Bill? It's not helping me out much. I lost him too. He has quick and quiet or something. That, or he totally, maybe urban evasion. Nope, that's him right there though. Oh, I got a Clicky. She's not really looking behind her though. Damn, bro. Remember when the corn used to be like stalkable through? Now it's thick. It's got bushy. Oh, she's dying. She's definitely the chick I'm using this piece on. Fuck that up. But she went back through the window. Like she's not looking behind her. And now it's blocked. And now she's dead. See, that worked out well. If you kill like every survivor who was clicking at you like that, it wouldn't be a problem. It wouldn't be so annoying. It'd be like a you want out type scenario. Two stats to save the best for last. I have not used Bamboozle yet, I think, so that's still unknown. Although there's not many windows to vault here. I wonder where they went, my pretties. Come. The video is getting boring. I hope I see a crow though. They're here. Somebody's here. Someone used sprint burst. It was the Nia. Nia has sprint burst. It's strange to me to seeing Nia with sprint burst. I don't think I see that quite often. I smacked her. I have no problem. Oh, and she fucked up with the drop. No, Nia, you don't have balanced landing. I'm pretty sure you have sprint burst. Isn't that lovely? I have no clue where to go now. So. Oh shit. Hi, Bill. I'm gonna get you. You can keep running. Oh, you're gonna drop that drop pound. I'm gonna smack you. And he pre-threw it. Which is whatever. He could have tried to play around that. Obviously, he didn't want to. He didn't feel like that. But his blood's leading me where he is. Oh, he's just holding W. God damn it. Forward. I watch too many PC streamers, man. Can't remember my own buttons. It's just completely safe. That's annoying. Oh, but he ran out to it. And I was... Oh, I missed. God damn it. Okay, he's down. I was gonna say, ooh, yeah, let's get her, bro. Stop that. Michaela. You're the one who's gonna get stopped and more, bro. Just so I don't have to waste my stacks. I got seven juicy stacks. Bill's picked up. Oh, did he have Unbreakable or did the Nia grab him? I don't quite remember where he was. I know what direction that Nia ran off though. And there's me double guessing myself. This is good though, because I have Bamboozle and she doesn't know it. I hope she's just holding forward too. I hear the Boon Totem. I don't really care at this point. No one's injured. I see she's running far as fuck, so I'm going to ignore that. Oh, hi, Michaela. Bill didn't come back with you? If Bill came back with her, that gem probably would have done. I saw him off though to my right, so I know where he's at. Michaela tried to do a little playback. Oh, it's over, girl. I'm sorry. Your little spells couldn't save you. Fuck, yo. Myers Morris is intense. I wish he was stronger. Bill. Oh, that's right. I smacked Bill in the snowman. I was wondering why he had the little fuzzies, but looking on my screen, I also have the little fuzzy. He had live. He didn't give no fuck. That was his play, yo. If I followed him, if I went to the right, if I turned around, his play was to use that live the entire time. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get another, I don't know, kill by my hand. Mori without a Mori. Oh, she finished the generator. I'm probably just gonna chase her ass down. I'm gonna give her a smack there. I'm gonna give her a smack there. She doesn't have much juice left anyway. She was not looking either. Oh, I'm sorry, Nia. It's game, honey. That was just for points, Bill. Don't think you're living past that. Oh, yo, I'll eat that borrowed time. I'm coming for you, Bill. There ain't nothing that's gonna stop me from chasing your old ass down to the ends of the earth. Bam. Now don't have Unbreakable. I said the wrong one. Decisive Strike. I was worried about an Unbreakable, so I picked him up and ate the Decisive. He used his live again. I really kind of want to Mori this dude. But I don't want to drag this out forever. It's end game, bro. It's close to end game. It's pretty much over. We're gonna see where this goes. He's avoiding the stock too, or maybe he's just running to a corner so I can't get him to a hook. But it doesn't seem to be the thing. I'm not gonna get that. before he randomly finds the Nia. It's just time.